Did you guys know that the Honda Dazzler and the CB Trigger were the shortest lived motorcycle in the Honda lineup ever? Hello guys and welcome to MotorBeam, and we are trying to find out today why these two motorcycles failed in the Indian market. So before we begin, subscribe to MotorBeam and do hit the bell icon. I know by reading the title some of you guys will be intrigued at how did I mention unicorn, okay? Before you guys feel bad about it and start defending your motorcycle in the comment section below, let me tell you this one thing, that CB Unicorn was a prefix that was added to the name Dazzler as it was launched as a sporty concept. The first time ever we saw the Dazzler was in the 2010 Auto Expo as a Honda Unicorn concept. It was a red and white colored motorcycle which looked pretty dope, and it was actually a proper sportier version of the Unicorn back then, which was already on sale. So the Honda Unicorn, which was the actual model, was launched in the year 2005 and till date it is on sale, but it has had a few hiccups in some time back. Some of the enthusiasts who were bored with the commuter design started asking for an update or a sportier version of the Unicorn. Rarely does it happen that Honda listens to us, as they are adamant, and we haven't seen the Honda CB 250RR in India yet. But hey, they actually showcased the Dazzler and even launched it in the year 2010. It was a replacement for the plain vanilla Honda Unicorn in the Indian market. But the demand for the Unicorn stayed as it is, and the new Dazzler did not really dazzle the market as such. It was definitely a sportier version of the Unicorn, as it had thicker tires and it was 8 kgs lighter. It also had a few extra body panels, an analog digital instrument cluster and a disc brake at the rear too. Honda being Honda, they kept the Unicorn on sale alongside the Dazzler, and within a year the picture was clear. Unicorn had more than double the sale numbers of the Dazzler, which was actually a newer and sportier version of it. The Dazzler really missed out on quite a few things, and it didn't really seem as practical as a Unicorn did. Although they had the same engine, Dazzler did not have a kickstart. First issue. While the gear lever was a single shifter unit. Second issue. It really put off many prospective buyers, and as they still had an option, they went ahead and picked the Unicorn instead. It was pretty clear that people were not ready for the sporty nature yet. They were looking for a commuter, just a sporty looking commuter. Coming back to the maintenance perspective, the Dazzler did not even have a full chain cover, which meant quite some noise while riding and more frequent maintenance for a commuter bike. Although the hardware on board was appealing, such little things blew the customer away, and the bike started failing to impress. As a result, Honda took quick actions and they launched a new version of it, or rather a new motorcycle altogether. In 2013, the Honda CB Trigger was launched, but it was still too late to save the market. The demand for Unicorn rose and it went up to 6 months of waiting period, and as the Unicorn was a bit more affordable, it had already proven its fate since 2005. The CB Trigger, however, got things rectified from the Dazzler as it got a kickstart this time. Minimal body panels, even lesser than before, and as an addition, it got a fully digital instrument cluster too. It had a full chain cover this time, and Honda brought back the commuter-centric full-length gear lever. But the customers were just not ready to accept the fact that Honda did not announce it as a replacement. We knew about it and we said it out loud, but Honda silently just discontinued the Dazzler after the launch of the CB Trigger. Honda tried really hard, but the CB Trigger didn't save the day, and they saw very less market growth to it too. I personally feel that the name CB Trigger came as customers were turning away, and Honda was triggered by it to launch it as soon as possible. Nevertheless, Honda did not see any potential in the CB Trigger even after the rectification, and it was time to act upon for the BS4 variants, or at least get the current fleet ready for BS4 at least. As a replacement rather than the upgrade, Honda showcased the CB Hornet 160R, a sportier version which would replace the CB Trigger in the Honda lineup. And now, as we know, the Honda CB Hornet 160R sold pretty well. It actually turned tables for the premium commuter segment, but it was limited till the BS6 update. So to summarize, the main reason the Honda Dazzler failed was because of the missing practical features, and it was priced at a premium as a new product. But you don't actually pay extra for something less, right? As a solution, Honda fixed it with the CB Trigger, but they didn't officially announce it that it was a replacement to the Dazzler, so that was another back foot. Now you guys can see that such small things matter, and there are various reasons that good products fail because of it. If you guys know any such bikes or products, then do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys like this video and do share it with your friends so that they know about this failure too. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.